Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Kita dari kelompok 5 yang akan menjelaskan tentang tugas matematika distrik perihal algoritma. Dan anggota kelompok kita yang pertama adalah saya, Zuria Firlani Putri dengan NBI 146210057.
Saya Farizal Ardiansyah, NBI 14621000137.
Saya Raffi Bimantara, NBI 14621000147.
Saya Muhammad Janil Hakim, MBI 146210055.
Saya Muhammad Ilham Fanani dengan MBI 14621000179.
Ya.
Pembagian algoritma kita telah mengungkapkan mengenali bilangan bulat. Untuk bilangan halaman untuk belum pernah membahas ataupun mengenalan pembagian. Ini saat untuk mengingat kembali hal ini. Sebuah teorema yang merupakan batu landasan yang merupakan dasar dari perkembangan kita adalah algoritma pembagian. Hasilnya sering kita dengar secara kasar pengumuman bahwa sebuah bilangan bulat dibagi oleh bilangan bulat positif B dan diisi dengan bilangan kecil dari B. Next. Untuk setiap bilangan bulat positif dan terdapat dengan tunggal pasangan bilangan bulat non negatif demikian, sehingga dimana selanjutnya kita sebagai teks hasil bagi dan adalah sisa pembagian. Ketika bukti atas template open. Pertama ditunjukkan efisi dibagi 3. Kasus 1 jika A dan B dipilih oleh A kosong dan RB ada lebih besar A sehingga dapat ditulis dalam B A kosong ditambah B sama dengan AR tambah R. Dalam kasus ini kita diperoleh pasangan.
Yes. Greatest common factor algorithm. Using Euclid algorithm is often referred to as the division algorithm. An algorithm is produced to obtain a result by applying an operation many times. The GCF of two numbers in the largest number that can easily divide the two numbers. Suppose there are two numbers and n, then the GCF of these two numbers can be calculated by the following step. The first step is m or n equal to qualified and remainder r. Divide m by n and assume r is the remainder of the two numbers. If the value of r equal to 0, then the algorithm is complete and n is the solution. But if not, then the value of m equal to n equal to r. Then return to the initial step. Next. For the example, 1. Determine the GFF of 94.208 with solution. We change the position of the largest on the left first so that it can be divided and get the remainder. 208 divided 64 equal to 3, remainder 16. 94 divided by 16 equal to 4, remainder is 0. Because the remainder is 0, then the algorithm is complete, and the n is the solution. So GCF 94,208 equal to 16. Next.
List common multiple algorithm using Euclid algorithm. Euclid algorithm is often referred to as the division algorithm. An algorithm is a procedure to obtain a result by applying an operation many times. The LCM is the two numbers are multiplied and divided by the GCF of the two numbers. The example, determine the LCM of 64 and 208. 64 times 208 divide 16. 16 is from the GCF of 64 and 208. And then 64 times 208 divide 16 equals 832. So the answer is LCM of 64 and 208 equals 832.
Factorial algorithm. What is factorial algorithm? The factorial is the product of the positive integers that are less than or equal to n. Factorial can be calculated using following recursive formula. N factorial, n multiplying n minus 1 factorial, n factorial 1 if n 0, or n is 1. To write this, we must come up with several things. What is the best case? In other words, for what value of n do we immediately know what the answer would be without doing more than a simple operation or two. In this case, we know what 0 factorial is. It is 1 by definition. 1 factorial is another best case because 1 factorial is simple 1 as well. However, it is not actually necessary to explicitly state the best case for when n is 1, as we can further reduce that to the 0 factorial. Best case, so the best case occurs when n is 0 or 1. In this case, the function can simply return 1. Now the recursive case, how can we state the solution in terms of itself? First thing you should notice is that the example is 5 factorial, 5 multiplying 4, multiplying 3, multiplying 2, multiplying 1. But 4 multiplying 3, multiplying 2, multiplying 1 is really 4 factorial. So 5 factorial is 5 multiplying 4 factorial. But 4 factorial is just 4 multiplying 3 factorial, and so on.
Multiplication algorithm (EN). What is the multiplication algorithm? In mathematical calculation, the rank is known by determining the best number to be raised to the rank and determining the rank to be applied to best number. The example, 5 rank 3, or 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 5. Next. This is an example of coding in multiplication algorithm. And next, this is the result of coding. And next, conclusion. This program calculates the rank of interest integers by displaying the final result of the calculation. The way this program works exposed to values that go into X and Y variables, where X in an integer and Y is a rank number. Then the parameter function is called to calculate. The parameters contained in the selection if are used for if or otherwise statements to meet the rank criteria when the first statement is fulfilled. Y sama dengan 0 or operator. Then the value of Y integer is 0. We'll continue with the value 0 or return 0, then multiplied by X. If you don't enter a number other than 0, then else proceed to X or return X, then multiply X, Y minus 1. The result is a rank, displayed in the main function. And this yellow one is the formula from the previous coding. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention.